Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris engine oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have fresh engine oil of the correct type and a new oil filter. Park your Yaris on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for about 30 minutes to prevent burns. Next, it's time to drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug beneath your engine's oil pan. Place a drain pan directly under it to catch the used oil. Using a 14mm socket or wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old engine oil flow out completely. This usually takes several minutes. Ensure the oil is fully drained before proceeding. Now, let's replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which is often found near the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn for a secure fit. Finally, it's time to add the fresh oil. Reinstall the drain plug firmly, ensuring you don't over-tighten it. Remove the oil filler cap on top of your engine. Carefully pour in around 3.5 liters of the recommended new engine oil. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.